Good morning, fellow space cadets, and welcome. I'm really thrilled to have you all here today and have you guys have a chance to hear from the amazing leading scientists, engineers, artists, and designers.
The most amazing thing that anyone can possibly do is explore space. There's nothing as challenging or inspirational.
We now know, because of this one event and all the follow-up measurements that were made, we now know where all the heavy elements are made in the universe.
What we want to do with this idea of Beyond the Cradle is to leverage this different perspective as new vantage point to shift our understanding of planetary system and life.
Going around the planet every 90 minutes, 17,500 miles per hour, breaking bread with people we used to fight against. And this was that moment when I had that orbital shift, that perspective change, that changed me forever. And I think if we can convey this with people through our storytelling, through VR, through other ways, because there are only going to be so many people that get a chance to fly in space.
What I love about VR is, first of all, that you can fly. And that's really the most important thing in this, so that you go where you see.
So instead of trying to bring the computer into the physical world to the audience, we are now going to bring the filmmakers and put them inside the computer.
The influence that fantasy and science fiction has on us, and then we on it, is an ongoing cycle.
I've always been interested in the narrative, very much so, not just the science of it, but the where the narrative lies within the scientific.
The very first step we took was to actually salvage 4 jet engines from a junkyard, to strap them to a welded frame, and to start writing software that taught us how to take off and land vertically.
Now, what is it going to take to go from early exploration missions, so everything that's been going on at Mars to date, to actually getting to a self-sustaining city on Mars?
We believe the final frontier is actually going to be opened by manufacturing. It actually needs a reason for us to go, a reason for us to do important things in space.
And yet we call it Hidden Figures, but there is nothing hidden about this woman. And I think the things that we're trying to solve here today will be solved when we learn to really see who am I not seeing in this picture.
Anyone who wants to join, again, exploration, then there's a way to collaborate, because we need everyone.
The spirit of Beyond the Cradle is democratizing access to space. We are really excited to be co-designing the future of space together with you all and thinking about how we chart the next 50 years, the next half century of space exploration.